In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a proposal. Proposals have several advantages. You no longer have to use your blanket markup that you have on your storefront. You can give individual pricing to products. You can either price it higher or lower. You're picking out the products for your customer, so your customer doesn't need to do that. The products will be put in the shopping cart automatically. And you can bundle products. Let's say you have a group of photo enthusiasts. You can bundle like a digital camera and a photo printer and give that proposal number to numerous people so they can quickly find the products that you think are best for this particular group. Alright, I'm going to show you how to create that. So I'm going to log into my Resellersonly.com account. And at the top I'm going to click on Proposals. And as you can see, I already created a couple of proposals. To create a proposal, click on this button here. It says New Proposal. And that will actually take you back to the storefront. Now you're actually going to pick the products for your customer. So I'm just going to randomly pick a few products and put them in my shopping cart. The whole process is similar to a shopping experience. So I'm just going to pick the most popular desktop machine that we have currently, add it to the cart, and let's see, I already had a few products in there. I'm going to remove the ones that I had in there. I'm just going to find a monitor and alright, find a nice 19-inch and add it to my cart. Alright, so I have a computer and a monitor, and as you can see here, and this is actually not visible to visitors to your storefront, but because you're a reseller and you can tell you're coming in at my cost here, there's an extra button here and it says Add to Proposal. Your shopping cart now has two products in there, or this shopping cart has two products in there. It has the pricing, it has extended price, and it has shipping and handling. The shipping and handling is actually being determined at the time that your customer checks out. Any sales tax, if applicable, depends on where you're located. Any sales tax will be calculated in a later stage in a checkout process. So once I'm happy with the products that are in the shopping cart, I'm going to hit the Add to Proposal link, and as you can see, it takes me back to Resellersonly.com. First of all, I'm going to put a little description here. Monitor and all in one bundle. I just noticed that I put in an all-in-one PC, which actually has the monitor, so I wouldn't really need a monitor. But anyway, for the example, I'm just going to leave it like that. So I'm going to hit Update, and now my proposal, which I have the proposal number for up here, actually has a description, so later I can recognize that in my list of proposals. Alright, I'll just run through the information here. Of course, I have the product image, I have the product information, I have the unit cost, and the commission that I can make. Now, the way that's calculated is my storefront actually has 7% commission, so by default it will add the products to the proposal and it'll automatically calculate 7% commission for me. Then the customer price, that's the eventual price that the customer will see. And of course the same amount, the $39.43 is the 7%. And of course, because I only have quantity 1, the total for the customer for this line item will stay the same. Now the one below is similar to that. Now I want to change the commission, and let's just change the quantity to just to show you how that works. Okay, so I'm going to change this to quantity 3, and I want to increase my commission, my unit commission, so that's per product. I want to change that to $75. So I want to make a little bit more than my standard commission. So I hit save here, and if all's well, everything has changed except for the unit cost. Of course, I changed it to quantity 3. My unit cost will stay the same. My unit commission is more now. I changed my commission apparently to a little bit over 12.5%. So the customer will now see $598.82. And my total commission for this line item is $225. That's 3 times $75, obviously. So the customer total is $1796.46. All right, if I'm going to leave the monitor that way. If I'm happy with the proposal, there's a couple of things that I can do. I can tell my customer to go to www.nextdaypc.com and enter the proposal number. I will demonstrate that momentarily. I can email the proposal, which will bring up this screen. The best course of action here is to send it to yourself, at least to yourself. You can send it to somebody else, but keep in mind that a lot of junk filters filter out emails like this because we're actually using your email address to send it. Anyway, so you can do that. The best thing is to have it sent to your own email address and then forward it to your customer. You can add text in this box and then click the email this proposal button. It'll send out the email. I'm going to close this window here. Another thing you can do is you can export this proposal to Excel if you have your own software, or if you want to make your own document with the information. You can export that to Excel and have the information in a spreadsheet. One more thing that you can do once you finish your proposal is you can click on the convert to order. That will actually take you to the storefront. Put the products with the pricing in your shopping cart, and it'll allow you to go through the checkout process and purchase the products that are in the shopping cart. So here's my list of proposals. You see the one that I just created is here at the top. And now I will show you on the storefront how this works. All right, so here's the storefront, and I have my proposal number. What I'm going to do is here at the bottom, I'm going to enter the proposal number here, 930731. I'm going to hit go, and that will take me to a page that will verify the information. And of course that hasn't changed, so I'm going to hit go here. So I have the 2 products that I put in the proposal in my shopping cart now. The totals are being calculated here, and all your customer has to do now is place the order. And if they've not set up an account yet, they need to set up an account. If they do, they need to log in and place the order. So it's fairly simple to create a proposal, and especially for your customer to place the order with the proposal information. Again, the advantage is you don't have to use your blanket markup. You can either lower your price on particular line items, or you can increase your price, whatever is comfortable to you. It's very convenient for your customers because they don't have to search for products, and they'll purchase exactly what you told them to purchase. The third advantage is that you can bundle products for specific groups, or just something to have handy. If there's cartridges, for instance, that you need to have for certain printers, just create a proposal, put the part numbers in there, and put a description in there. It's easier to find it than having to search through existing orders, etc., etc.